Okay. Share your screen.
Yeah. I hope it is visible.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah. So I have connected Salesforce. I have connected,
Okay.
and map is also done.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This one. And in
Yeah.
this, I'm not getting it actually.
Have you created this disconnection?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But
So
I'm
you have not mentioned. You have not mentioned in directory. Okay, that's the
yes.
reason. Yeah. So you just write. You just go to your C drive or any drive. You just go of your system. Go to your system and say laptop.
Yes.
File Explorer. You go to File Explorer.
Yes. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah. I'm able to see.
Yeah, this one folder.
Folder. But your folder same screen I'm seeing. That
Okay.
Boomi screen.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now.
Now, yeah, it's coming.
Yeah.
Go
So
to C drive.
read right. Yes.
Okay. And create one folder here. Boomi. New folder. Boomi. Okay. Click on Boomi. Okay.
Mhm.
Go to where C arrow mark Boomi is there. Click there. No,
Yes.
no, no. Just click there and browse. Yes. Just click there. Just click there. Okay. Yeah. Copy this one. Control C.
Yes. I got it.
Go to Boomi. Yeah. Paste here. This is your folder start. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Again you run.
Save and close.
7 close.
Okay. Now it will work.
Now can you run this one now? Test.
No.
Which atom you are running actually? You are running on cloud, right?
Yes. Yes.
Cloud
Actually,
automation.
actually, see, atom management. Is
Mm-hmm.
it?
Mm. No,
I'm getting
this
like this.
always open in new tab. Okay, otherwise
New
this one will go. Yeah, yeah. New.
atom.
Uh,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Okay. I got it. Now download, right?
Yeah. Because you are running in cloud atom. That's why, and your folder is in your disk, right? Right.
And my disk,
That's why
right?
it's
Right.
spelling. That's why it's spelling.
I
Just in
forgot to say.
Microsoft Defender. Okay. Yeah. Run anyway. Okay.
Yeah, I forgot these 2 3 steps.
Okay. No problem. Yeah. Do live.
Yeah, now I got it. Now it will run. Now it will run.
No, it will let it complete.
Yes.
How many environments you have created?
No, no, this one only.
This one only.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. We'll see.
एक टेस्ट वो में जब टेस्ट के लिए मैंने किया था
हाँ.
वो भी नहीं
Go to yeah.
okay.
What happened?
It is showing that you should run as an administrator. So I think I will.
Yeah, yeah. Yesterday I told, na?
Hi.
Yeah, otherwise it will not work.
I have to install Oracle as well in this
Mhm.
thing, right?
Today install Oracle and create Oracle connection also.
Yes, I will. I will. And any other connection we need to create?
Mail connector you have to use. That
Mail.
one also. Yeah.
Okay.
Disk database, Salesforce, mail, and we'll try for service now also. Okay.
Username, right?
Username. Yeah, your Boomi username. Okay.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Next.
Next.
This one.
Yeah, there are two environments are there.
Ah,
Right, one minute. Go above one, you just select.
this one.
This one. So have you created this accounts? This is which account you are using? Training account or Infobin account?
Training account.
Training account. Then okay, training.
This one. Info.
Uh, Infobin Sprite. I think above one account you are using. Okay, yeah. Above one select.
Okay.
Next. Yeah, test. Yeah. Select this one. Yeah. Next.
Next.
Next. Next.
Next.
Yes.
Finished, right?
Yes. Finished. Can you go? Yeah. Close. Here, go to test. Yeah. Sandivatam. Yeah. It's now offline. Okay. So attached. It's not at attached. Okay. Here, attached to environment is there, na? Yeah. Go down. Now it's attached. Okay. Go to test Boomi. Left hand side.
Yeah.
Yes. Your atom. Your atom is showing offline. Why? Okay. It will come online. Simple. Okay. Refresh this page.
Now it's online.
Online. Okay. Yeah.
So now can you test this?
Yeah. Can you, yeah, can you again test this one?
Now it's done.
Go to your disk location.
Yeah.
So go to your, yeah, your file yeah, C drive.
Yeah. This is,
Files are there, right?
yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Oh, okay. So now you see there are three files are there.
Correct.
Okay.
Ah,
Uh, Three files are there, and you and file things are there in that file. Okay. Okay. I'm just sharing. Okay. Now.
okay. Okay. Stop share.
You're able to see my screen.
Not yet.
Okay. Yeah. Up to this you did. Okay. So my
No, I'm not able to see it.
you're not able to see.
No.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute.
And
Able to see.
yes. Yes.
Okay. So now you are sending and your file is coming like this. Okay. Let me just open. Like this it's coming,
Yes.
and that file is there. Okay.
Mm.
So I want, what I need to do, I want to combine all the file, right? I don't want because if you see each file, header is there, one line is there. I want to combine all the file. Okay.
Mhm.
What to do? One process, one step is the data process. Okay.
Okay.
Data process here. I have to do combine documents. Okay.
Okay.
My file will be flat file because I am getting from XML to flat file.
Mhm.
File type will be flat file. So here, what I'll do, written first line as column
Right.
headers. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. I'll just save. What I'll do now, yeah. What are the files are there already created? I just shift and delete. Okay.
Mhm.
Now I'll just run. We'll see what type of result is giving. I'll go to my file path. See, one file is coming, right?
Right.
One file is coming. So in this file, okay, one header will be there.
Correct.
And what are the records are there? It's coming with comma separated, right?
Right. Correct.
Getting?
Ah.
So what data process step is doing? Data process step is doing like this. If you see, manipulating your document means you can do so many things by using data process step. You can search and replace. Suppose in your file some character is there. If you want to replace that character to some other character, or you'll search that character and replace. Search and replace, you know how to do in file.
Yes.
You can do.
Yes.
You can write custom scripting. You can combine documents, what I showed you. One type of character is there. If you want to encode that one, you want to decode that one, base 64 encode decode. So split document. Suppose here you are getting line by line. Some cases you will get one file and you want to split also. Instead of combine, you have to split line by line. You can use split document.
Split document.
So these are on zip, these are things are there. So whenever it create in future processes, we'll use most of these things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we combine now. So my files is coming like this, right?
Correct.
But I don't want this. This is the default file name. Okay. Boomi is creating this file name. I don't want this file name.
Mhm.
I want, so my file name should be, okay. One minute. My file name should be account underscore today's date 13/01/2022.
Okay.
Dot. Instead of that file, I want .csv.
Okay. Okay.
I want this file. I don't want system generated file and that format. I want this file. Okay.
Okay.
How to do that one? We'll see. After this, okay. We'll just one shape is there. Set properties shape. Okay. Okay. See, so set properties, I'll just show you what set properties is doing. Okay. Set properties have allow you to set your values, various document and process properties. So we'll just learn what are the process properties are there. So I'll just show you now how to do that one. So we'll do the after that. Okay. So here you can change file name or email subject written. So many things you can do by using set properties. You can set your properties. Okay. So here I'll just show you. So one property is their document property. Okay.
Okay.
So you are getting document. Okay. And you are changing that document property. Means what, where you need to change. In disk you need to change, right? Getting me?
Yes. Yes. And
In disk, your file is generating, right? You want to change the document property in that disk, right?
correct.
Whenever you just click document property, disk is your connector.
Mhm.
So here, which type of connector? Disk connector. So you have to select disk, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Once you select disk, there are two properties coming: file name,
Yes, yes. File name we have to choose.
file name. Okay. So file name you select. So what you need to change? File name first value what it will be there? Account
Account.
account underscore.
Yes.
You can write like this: account underscore. Okay. First thing you have to create this one. Second thing, you have to create what? Date
Dynamic.
format. Date format is not a static because today you are running
No.
account is static field. Okay.
Correct.
Tomorrow date should come. That's why we have parameter values are there. Date, date and time. Okay.
Okay.
You have to select the date and time. Suppose what are the format you want? Suppose I want this format. MMDDYYY. Okay, my date will come like this. Uh, MMDD. Okay, whatever. This one
DDMF file.
DDMMYY is not there. And DDMMYY is then not there in this list. If you want to manually, then you have to create like here, enter this one. So I'll just select this one MMDDYY. Okay.
Okay.
After that, your file uh,
Dot
extension will
CH.
be there, right?
Ah,
So what I'll do, dot CSV, right?
correct.
So I am creating this file like this. So what I'll do, I'll just shift delete. Again I'll run. Okay.
Hmm.
See, see
Correct.
this one dot CSV file created here. See your file created.
Correct.
Getting?
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll just learn now. So what are the properties are there in the Boomi? You saw document property. Okay.
Correct.
Here I have declared as the document property. This file name is coming under document property. Okay.
Correct.
What is document property? Document property will capture runtime properties of a document.
Okay.
So it's system defined property. Okay. So do you know Oracle or any other languages?
Yes, sir.
Predefined properties. Predefined properties.
Ah, yes.
You cannot this property you cannot means it's system defined.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Already this property is defined by Boomi. This is a connector property. This is a disk. For this disk, there are two property they have set: file name and directory.
Directly.
Okay. And for other, if you see sales other other things, some it may be different properties are there. See, body their file name. If you select mail connector, there are different properties are there.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. So you can also in document property, you can also see trading partner information is there. So in trading partner, what are the trading partner you are using? You can do like this. So like this, okay. So here we are using this connector. That's why we are just taking this properties. And this properties we can save in document property because it's a system Boomi predefined properties. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes. I
Means
got it.
document, what are the document properties? It's a means there are four properties are there: document property, dynamic document property, process property, and dynamic process property. It's very important. Okay, in interview they will ask you
Can you come again?
document property,
Uh-huh.
Dynamic document property, second one,
Okay.
process property,
Okay.
and dynamic process property.
Okay. Mix four. Four types.
Okay. We will see what exactly all are doing. Okay. So you
Okay.
saw document property, how it's working.
Yes, sir.
It will capture the runtime information of predefined properties of a document.
Okay.
You are creating one file, and that file is inside the disk folder.
Okay.
And you have to go to document property and select the connector, because disk is the connector,
Correct.
and select the connector properties, and you are storing in document property.
Document
You are
property.
not giving any property name, because Boomi itself is this property is predefined.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
Getting?
Yes, I got it.
So dynamic document property, what is it doing? Suppose you are getting you are a user, so you manually you have to give some property name.
Okay.
Okay,
Mhm.
you have to create your own property. Okay,
Huh.
then you have to give dynamic document property.
Okay. Okay. That means if you
And
want to give any proper name to the property, then it's a dynamic.
no, no, it's not a full what you told, it's not a full dynamic. So dynamic document property is based upon a document,
Document.
and it's a user defined property.
Okay. Okay. We got it.
It's not a predefined property.
Mhm.
It's a user defined property of a document. Okay, for
Okay.
each document it will create uh, one record, means property set it will create. Okay, we'll see all the things.
Okay.
Suppose you are getting ID, suppose you are updating something in Salesforce, you are getting something from source, 100 records are there. For each record, it will create one value. Okay,
Hmm.
we'll see that one.
Okay.
I'm just saying you what exactly dynamic document property, process property, and dynamic process property. Process property and dynamic process property, what it is there? Dynamic, global variable.
Yes. Global value.
Global variable. Whenever you are doing some global variable, you have to declare one in starting of the process.
Correct.
That is called as dynamic process property.
That means
And
in every function and all, you can use that property.
yeah, suppose you want to keep this process name in one variable, one property, then
Mhm.
you have to use dynamic process property. It will not change, like for each document it will not change. It will overwrite. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll see one example, we'll see.
Sure.
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So what I have to do, so I'll just create one set properties here. Okay. Getting?
Yes. Yes.
So here, see, there's in set property type, document property, dynamic process property, and meme property. So I'll just write here dynamic process property. DPP. Always give this name like this. For easily you can understand. DPP means dynamic process property. If you give DDP, it's a dynamic document property. Okay.
Okay.
DPP. Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
DPP file name. You just copy this one.
And what's this person this property?
Okay. I'm just setting one property name. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So what I'll do, I'll just give here this file name will be, but same thing I'll do here. Okay,
Mhm.
account underscore. Uh, in this property, I mean, it's because it's a fixed thing. Okay, in this property, I just saved this one. Okay,
Okay.
and here what I'll do in this document property, I will delete all the things. I'll just go here, dynamic process property, and I'll give that dynamic process property name. What I declare. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
getting me?
Yes, I'm getting.
Uh, So I'll just run. See, same thing I'm
Yes, sir.
able to. Okay,
Yes, yes. I-
same thing I'm able to do. So what it will do, it will store at a time one file name will be creating here. Okay, that file name is assigned to this document property.
Document property. Right. Yes.
Okay,
Yeah. In the first set of property, it is creating a file. Right.
okay.
Yeah. It
So
is.
why? Yeah,
Mm.
here we are creating the file name,
Right.
and here we are assigning that file name
Finally,
to
to
that document property.
document property. Right. Right. Right.
Getting me?
Yes. Yes. Right.
So what dynamic process property is doing? So it's like a global variable. Globally, you are declaring anything in the front of the process, and you are utilizing the same value in corresponding places,
Okay. That means
subsequent places. Okay,
that that means this property, the set property, this which were created first for dynamic, we can utilize this in uh,
everywhere,
every
everywhere.
yes.
Suppose you are doing another things. Okay, another branch will be there. Another thing. Same if you want to use same name, you have to refer this name. DPP file name you have to refer. If you
Ah,
refer DPP file name, same will work.
okay. Yes.
Right?
Yes. Got it.
No need to do
No.
all the time these 3 4 steps.
Yes. I got it. Yes. Yes.
Getting?
Yes. Yes.
So you can reuse this one.
Yes.
So
Only only the file name should be we have to enter. Right.
only file name.
Yes.
Yeah, file name you are forming and you have to. So you are assigning something. You are assigning to this document
Yes. Got
property.
it.
This is a document property.
Right.
If you see, this is a document property. You are assigning this DPP, what you have created before, to this document property.
Okay. Yes. 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 I got it.
Getting me? So
Yes.
it's
I got
very,
it.
very important concept. Okay,
Yes. Yes. I got it.
you
Right.
have to understand. If you understand these things, so you'll do everything in Boomi. Okay. So here in dynamic process property, you can do so many things.
Mhm.
So many things. You can do so many things. So you can do here. Suppose dynamic process property. I will add one process property. Dynamic process property. PPP. Suppose process name. Okay. Always same thing, whatever you are giving name, same thing you have to use. So that's why you just copy. Okay. DP process name. So I'll just tell you there are one property is the execution property.
Execution. Okay.
So it will capture the all execution related information. So what is there? If I select this execution property, so there are so many things that you can able to capture in this property. You can capture what is the account ID. What is your account ID? This is my account ID. What I Boomi platform I am using? This is my
Yes.
account.
Account ID.
Which atom? What is your atom ID? If you want to capture the atom ID,
Mhm.
which atom you are using, now the atom is having some one ID. If you
Correct.
want to capture atom ID, if you want to know which atom you are
Using.
running, if you want to know how many documents you processed, document count.
Okay.
If you want to know what is the execution ID and what is the node ID, what is the process ID and what is the process name, if you want to capture, so you have to use this execution property and get this process name, okay, and store in this DPP,
TP.
dynamic process property.
Okay.
Getting me what I am doing?
Yes, I got it.
Huh?
Yes, yes.
A very important concept, okay.
Yes, sir.
So
I'm
in
getting
this
that.
variable, it's a global variable. You are storing this process name, which process you are running, executing, if you want to know, or if you want to know which account ID you are executing, which node ID you are executing. Okay. In that scenario, you have to like this here is later time what you did, this dynamic process, dynamic document property you are taking. Here you are just taking from execution property.
Execution property.
Execution property will capture all execution related information. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This execution related information is assigned, you have just stored in this dynamic process
Process
property.
property.
Okay.
Yes.
But this is your process property you have created. Okay. So what I'll do, I stored this execution property
Mhm.
in this DPP process name. Okay.
Correct.
So I want to know the process name. Getting me? I
Ah,
want to know the process name.
process name.
So what to do? I have what I'll do. One notify shape is there. Okay. So if you want to, you know how to debug one process,
Hmm.
debugging.
Yes.
In Oracle DBMS underscore output does put underscore line, you have to mention in your package so that where pointer will go. So I want to add some notify shape. Okay.
Mhm.
Add notify shape will give me. I'll just add here notify. I want to see what is my process name. Okay.
Okay.
So if you want to do some custom execution log or process log for monitoring purposes, you have to use notify step. Okay, the starting or dynamic contents. So here what you have to do, so messages, okay,
Mhm.
so messages I'm storing in one variable, like this one variable I have stored. Okay,
Mhm.
here what parameter I'm passing, dynamic process
And
property,
correct.
what process name I have given in.
Process name.
Okay, and DPP name. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
DPP name I have given DPP process name. In DPP process name, I am storing the process name.
Process name.
Okay?
Yes.
Getting me?
Yes.
So
Yes.
I am storing this process name in this variable.
That's variable. Message one.
Okay?
Yes.
We'll see. If you understand the concept now,
Mhm.
then you can build any processes.
Yes. Actually, till now I'm getting it. What you are exactly doing.
You are getting na?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I'm getting.
Yeah.
Why we have set property in the beginning in the set,
Uh-huh.
which one after data process, and now why we are using notify. I'm putting it.
Yeah. See, in Notify,
Yes.
we can see my process name is SF flat file integration to process.
Integration process. Yes.
So I have given this process name SF to flat file. So my process name is coming like this. Getting?
Yes.
So I want to just change the log things. You can write here the static things. Okay.
Mhm. The process.
Process name is okay. You have to give like this, and this variable will take data from this execution property and this execution property is stored in this DPP
DPP.
in
Yes.
front of the process. Okay.
Yes.
Again, I am running. You can create your custom execution log by using the notification.
Notify.
So in message step also you can do, but message step only you can see in test mode. But whenever you deploy your process in process property, in that in that process reporting page, you can see this notify. Okay, we'll see. See, the process name is this one. Getting?
Yes. Yes.
So you can write everything. Okay.
Mhm.
So what I'll do again, I'll just modify. Okay. Here, what I'll do, I'll just add so many properties. Okay. So dynamic process property, DPP name. Okay. I'll just copy this one.
Atomic.
So here I have to go to execution property,
Execution property and
atom name. Getting me?
yes.
So here I'll add
Atomic.
variable number 2.
Two.
Okay. Here I'll add a variable number 2. Dynamic process property. I have given this property name is DPP atom name. Getting me? So one more property I'll add. Dynamic process property DPP ID atom name. Okay.
Atom ID.
Let's copy this one. Then account ID. Okay, atom ID.
Atom ID. Okay.
Okay. You have to pass this one dynamic process property.
Atom ID.
Okay. We'll just run. We'll see. If we go here, go to logs, parameter value 1, process name, parameter value 2,
Training.
atom name is
Atom
training
name.
optimized atom. Okay.
Atom ID.
So the atom ID is this one. This is my atom ID. Okay.
Okay.
Getting?
Yes, sir. Found it.
So you are getting everything.
Yes. Till now, I got understood. Yes. Why we are using
Understood.
all this. Yes, yes.
So here, whenever you will just create big processes, we need this type of information because in real time, so we have two, three environments are there: dev, test, different environments. Suppose you are sending any mail, so from where actually this process got executed, you don't know, na? So in that scenario, you have to use this type of property, and so that whenever any notification mail is generated, you can able to know which atom it's running this process. So in real time, we can do like that. Okay.
Okay.
So you just know what is the function of this property, how we can use that property. Getting till now, you are clear?
Yes. Yes, sir. Still now I'm clear. I'm clear.
One more property we'll just see. Yesterday I showed you also. Here, instead of this one, SSF, I'll just use the notify SF. Okay.
Notify. Ah,
Notify SF. What I will do, property variable one. Here in this variable, I have to store document property. Okay. In document property, connector is there, metadata trading partner is there, metadata is there. What metadata will capture? Okay. So we are using this try catch. Yes, okay.
okay.
So if any error will happen, okay, try catch related error,
Ah,
we
yes.
have to capture that error record, right?
Yes, correct.
If any HTTP, suppose any web services API we are calling, if you want to know what is the status code of that API, application status code, then we have to capture that one. So we can use this one.
Okay.
Then what is the error message is there? You can use this one. If any one shape is there, business rule shape is there. If anything is there happening, we want to capture, then this one you can use. Like this, listener batch payload size. So try catch. We are using here try catch shape. So I want to know what is the try catch error message is coming. So I want to save in this document property as a base property.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah,
So yesterday I also showed you. So what I'll do, I just change so that my it will go to catch block. Okay.
yes.
Now I'll test.
It will go to catch.
Because it will fail here. Okay.
Ah,
Once it will fail here, it will handle here.
yes.
It will fail here. It will handle here. It will come to catch block.
Catch block.
See,
Ah,
it's failed here. Gone to catch block. If you go here, what is the things are there? Error message. So error message is capturing in there. Invalid username and password.
yes.
Get it?
Yes. Yes.
So dynamic process property, what it is doing, dynamic document property, how it's doing till now, dynamic process and document property you saw, right?
Correct.
In document property, you can save in metadata information, what recently I showed you.
Hmm.
Metadata information as well as connector runtime information you can store
Okay.
or trading partner information in document property.
Yes. Got it.
It will take time to okay to visualize view. So once you create one process, then you can do. Okay. So here in this property, you are storing connector information,
Correct. And
right? Connector, this connector file name and directory. This connector file name is a document property. Okay.
hmm.
Pre-built document property.
Correct. Correct.
Predefined document property.
Predefined
For,
process.
for this connector, this is a predefined document property. This file name and directory. So like that, for other connectors, so many predefined properties are there. You are storing that property in document property, and that document property you are storing into this dynamic process. You are taking that data from dynamic process property. Okay,
Okay.
assign. And in document property, you can also store information about metadata information. All shapes are there. Try catch, business rule, um, so many shapes are there. If you want to store the information of that shape, you can also use document property. Okay, you have to use metadata information. If you see here, document property base try catch metadata information. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
getting or not?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Then there are document property. What it is doing, I showed you. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Two things it will do. Document property will capture runtime information of connector
Mm-hmm.
and metadata information.
Method.
Getting me?
Ah,
If someone will ask questions in interview, you have to answer like this.
Yes.
So it will capture runtime information of connector, trading partner information, and metadata
Metadata
information.
information.
So what type of metadata information it will capture? Try catch metadata information, business rule metadata information, clean session metadata information, application
APIs.
status code, status code and application status message.
Okay.
That's this is the document property. Clear?
Yes, yes, clear, clear, clear.
Dynamic process property, what it is doing? Dynamic process property is it's a kind of global variable.
Global variable. Yes.
So it will store one value, okay, and you can utilize that value inside your processes.
Inside our processor.
Here, once I defined here, okay, I can use this variable inside, assign this variable to some property or any things. Once we are just capturing here, we can use this property inside our processes.
Inside our
Like
processor.
variable, once you declare in your program specifications, you can reuse that one in program body, right? In programming language concept.
Mm-hmm.
Getting me?
Yes, yes, I'm getting it.
Okay.
Yes.
We'll go through. Okay. We'll go through. We'll so many examples you see, then you are able to understand. Okay.
Yes.
Till now you clear?
Yes, till now I'm clear.
Property and dynamic process property
Yes, 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 probably, yes, yes, I'm
and
clear.
notify shape and set properties.
The
In set
property.
property shape, we can do all the things. Okay.
Yes, yes, I got it.
Getting me?
Yes, why we are
Okay.
using notify, why they are using set properties. Yes, I got
Mhm.
it. I got it.
Got it, na?
Yes, dynamic property, dynamic DPP as well as.
Okay. Okay. I'll send this recording. Okay. I'll send you that mail. Okay. Once recording will be generated, I will send you. So can you just message me your
Yes, yes,
mail ID?
yes, yes.
Sjinde, I think sjinde at gmail.com, right?
No, no, it's different, different. I will share you.
Okay. 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 You just message me. Okay. In
Yes,
WhatsApp.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Thank you.